I don't know, what is today, September 21st or something? I don't know. I'm making some pieces here, preliminary pieces, doing some body pieces. Yeah, that'll go about there, I think. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Then I got this next piece out here, which joins to that, but I gotta get this flat piece right on there, and then this actually curves out that way some more over to the bottom over here. So I gotta get that up a little. I might need to cut this whole corner off, I don't know. Hopefully I think I got enough to wrap around on there. But this has got to go over a lot. Well, that's like a big, deep. Start at the middle. Try to go to the one end. I guess I gotta get this up a little more. But I'm getting there. But yeah, I don't have very much to go by because it's just a big hole. But I think, once I start stacking, this goes from there up down to there, transitioning like that. And of course this is a little long there. I cut that off. And it's supposed to have a ridge across the whole floor here, but that's all missing. A little bit of it there. So yeah, that'll be next. So I'm just making this little corner piece, trying to make it. A lot of geometry in there, man. Holy smoke. I got to trim this off some more. But I'm trying to... But yeah, that didn't come out too bad. Actually, my welds, look at my welds here. They're coming through. They're nice. Pretty. They're a little snotty right there in the middle. I had some rust or something. And I fixed my buddy's trailer jack today, which he drove across the concrete and smashed all up. And I'm going to melt this. I'm going to dime the corners, put dime radiuses on there. I'm going to smooth everything off. Get rid of all this rough. This is stock kind of, these inside corners really sharp. All of this is just like cut off. They didn't really finish anything. I got a little bit of rust here and there. I'm gonna buff all this out, refinish all this. Same thing on the other corners. Everything's very sharp. That's got a little weld going over it right there, so it's not too bad. But all these corners really sharp, really, ow. So yeah, we're gonna put dimes on those and round all of this smooth. All this will be a complete rounded piece when I'm done. It's gonna round everything. Kind of like this one. This is my one. I already did this. Got this melted back pretty good. You can't do the inside too much on a channel, but outside's looking nice. Got a good thick coat of paint on there. There you go. It's almost exactly a dime right there. Right there. Look at that. Isn't that better? Isn't that nicer than that? Yeah, it is. Rhetorical question.